If you disagree with somebody, just disagree with them and go on about your business. But this habit and this attitude of just strictly resorting to be disrespectful to people, right? But me just I say, if you're so bad that you can disrespect people, then wait there. Try that in front of them face. People go talk about people wicked heart, a man wicked are people, and the way them deal with people and deal with certain situations, you reach back upon them, but they never know say don't reach them that way. So keep talking on a bag of lies on the social media. But there's this issue where we kind of turn me off from social media more while. So that's why sometimes I think we don't even bother try to interact with people who I not personally know. You know what I mean? I'm trying to post not in a groups that I don't really know who in there and all them kind of stuff. Right? Because the unfortunate thing is that you have some people who them use the opportunity, you know what I mean, because them can't have them way with you, or you know probably agree on them point, to resort to being disrespectful. Like downright disrespectful, to be abusive, you know what I mean, and to be hostile. Like please, what is the sense of wanting to exert abuse from people and disrespect from somebody who you don't know them? You don't know them background. You don't know nothing at all about them, right? And even if you know something about them, social media is not the space you disrespect people, especially in a them kind of time. Yeah. You understand? Now I find it most common with people who them hide behind some fake name or some fake profile or some strange DP, right? And them just go on the most, right? Now listen, I don't really take offense too much, right? I think when people want to talk, you know, because people can talk with them talk, because I know say this person don't know me, right? But me just I say, if you're so bad that you can disrespect people, then wait there. Try that in front of them face. I mean hear that with anybody. I don't promote myself as somebody who are the baddest thing, because that's not good for you. You know what I mean? It is never a good thing for you to come across in a space like this, like say you are the baddest man or whatever, because there's no such thing as the baddest man, right? But people and everybody know, especially Jamaicans, right? We don't take certain things. And even if a man is not normally like a bad and aggressive person, we don't disrespect them, trust me, you're going to know something about them what you never know about before, right? And I will dare say to anybody, don't just take me simple. You understand? Because not even me know where mood I do under certain circumstances, right? And anybody who feel like they want to disrespect me, I mean, I can't nobody name specifically, just do it when you see me. And then the two of us will see how me react to it. You understand? The point I'm trying to say, folks, it don't make no sense. Right? It don't make no sense. Because I could be that person who is in a position, you know what I mean, to come and help you out in a situation. You know what I'm saying? So all them thing of people, especially some of the Jamaican them, you know what I mean, the one that we have low IQ, I'm the one that we have no reasoning, you know what I mean, them one that we have no intelligence, right? Them just resort to them kind of nastiness there and just feel like say, yeah, you can do it and it done and you get to it. But someone who have a next guest come, we can hear what, you might do it to somebody else, and then at that time you are going to find out the real results of your actions. So just chill, people. It's a simple thing. Chill. You don't know nobody here, right? Nobody not pay your bills, so you don't need to disrespect nobody. If you disagree with somebody, just disagree with them and go on about your business. But this habit and this attitude of just strictly resorting to be disrespectful to people, one day it will reach, you know, on the news, and then people are going to talk about people wicked heart, a man wicked are people, and the way them deal with people and deal with certain situations, you reach back upon them, but they never know say don't reach them that way there. Alright? And some things you reach out to your pitney. Alright? Barrelman on. I don't know if you have that issue here, but that's my view.